Hello there. Welcome back to Full Stack Automation with Ruby. I just want to give a quick update on a CukeHub Hotwired. CukeHub is an app I wrote years ago, and it just kind of lost steam. But with Rails 7 released and Hotwire and Stimulus, I thought I'd give it another try, and having quite a bit of success and making it feel like more like a spa or single page application, and it's a lot more productive. Just want to give a little peek into what I've got going so far. So here we have a ngrok URL. I'm running this app localhost so that we can just demo it here and send kooks over the wire, or mock that really, but it's not published yet. So saving money and developing with ngrok is actually pretty neat. I can send from other machines. I can send test data over the wire via ngrok. So I think I did a demo in a prior video if you want to take a look. But yeah, let's get a look at this. So here we have Cuke Console. Nothing here, no kooks. I have this little link here to add a sample that we can always just delete and bring back. I'm going to leave it here now so that we have the console open and we'll see new kooks that we run show up in here in real time. So I'll need a terminal here. That's the wrong one. Here we go. We've got CukeHub Hotwired. Again, I'm running Rails 704 and Ruby 3.12. So let's get into some kooks here. We have Cucumber features web, and we have couple here, builds feature, Google feature. I'm just gonna run, let's do the Google, now pluck one in there, line 4, and let's see what happens. So you'll see it was yellow for a second there. It's in pending status as it's running, and once it's finished it shows up green here. So this is still a bit of a bug, but if I click live again, you can see the build ID that was auto-generated for us. If we click that, you'll see a list of builds. This was that sample data that I injected a minute ago, and this is the one we just ran. So if we go back to, let's try it from this way. Let's run all of them, I guess, and we'll see that build show up on the builds page. So do a little refresh here, and you'll see a second ago it's showing a live TV, so that means we can go in and watch it run here too as well. So yeah, now we can go back into an audit mode and check old builds and see what was running and what failed and things like that, just simply by clicking these links here. These are nice and unique. However, it's better if we had like a Chrome browser build for a name. So let's try doing. We can pass in the build name environment variable, and we'll make it really difficult and just call it Google. So if we go back into live, we see the new build name Google, and we see those same kooks running again. So you can override the unique ID that's auto-generated and give it a more descriptive build name, which is more helpful when you're going back and looking at old tests. So we have Google, and let's see what the other one does. I think there's some failures in it, so let's pull up, builds, and we'll give it build name equals, I don't know, hello world. And if we go back into live, we'll see the hello world build, and we have a failure there and a pending scenario, just some sample data really, reflecting what we have here in our console. Yeah, I'll show you real quick. These are pretty buggy, but if we wanted to go in and actually add, say, well, we can see the view exception error here, which is nice. We see the steps when it failed, the cucumber tags that the feature has. Here you see a new rich text editor. We can actually upload a screenshot if we want. It shows the server it ran on and the path to the file. So if I update that, it's kind of nice. You have that little image icon there, so somebody knows to go take a look at the picture that we just put in. But you can actually change the status here and make it a passing. Once it's all passing, then it's all green. Pretty neat. There's still some bugs, but it's come quite a ways. So yeah, I also noticed this Chrome icon. Again, I don't have any mobile scenarios up yet, or API really, but I'm thinking the API, I'll just have a JSON icon here and like a mobile iPad or whatever, Font Awesome basically, to show the type of Cuke that it was running. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching.